It's back. It's Bark Box and Bandit. So if you want to see what's in today's box, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy and this little guy here is Bandit and this is his Bark Box. So I didn't get Bark Box for a couple of months and it just kind of like skipped my attention. And I was like, what's going on? Why haven't I gotten my Bark Box? And I went and looked and it was like, your subscription has expired. I don't know. So I went in and redid it. And they sent me something we've gotten before. This is like if you're getting the very first Bark Box. This is the New York City one. And there is this Lady Liberty Ball. You want that? There is this dumplings and inside are little mini dumplings. Now these are long gone at my house, long gone. So you want them all? You want all the dumplings? Here, come get this dumpling. Put your head in here. We have 2 bags of treats. We have magic morsels and jackaloops. So I'm going to give him a magic morsel. These are oatmeal and mixed berries. And there is how they look. And then he also has a candy canine cookie because your dog's on the nice list. So,
can I have some?
No, you had a piece.
Oh, just like a tiny piece. It's a tiny
there
piece.
Is
oh, yeah, that's gross.
how it looks. He's going to get a little piece of this.
Yeah, the top was kind of good though.
Come on, that's yogurt.
Oh.
All right. And that is Bandit's Bark Box. So let us know your thoughts. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully we'll see you soon.